Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and today we have a very exciting unboxing of not one, but two custom shoes that I had made by Carmina Shoemaker using their online MTO website program. This is very exciting because these are boots that I've needed to add to my wardrobe for a long time, and finally I've had them made exactly how I wanted them. So in today's video, I've got two new pairs of Carmina Shoemaker boots, Chukka boots, that I had made custom via their MTO app on their website. Now, of course, Carmina Shoemaker is no stranger to those that watch this channel. Of course, the Mallorca-based Shoemaker is widely regarded as one of the best manufacturers of Goodyear welted leather dress shoes in the world, and they really have a cult following amongst shoe aficionados, not only for their incredible spectrum of ranges, but also for their unprecedented MTO program. They can almost make anything custom, really probably anything custom, and just like BMW or Mercedes, they have a web app on their website that allows you to go through the process of creating those custom shoes visually, selecting every single detail. Carmina has really developed a cult following because it allows you to really have anything you want made. If you can imagine it, they can make it. They have an incredible selection of leathers, of models, of lasts, and really the only limit is your imagination. So everyone knows that I have an incredible collection of bespoke dress shoes, but on the weekends, I'm not wearing a pair of black cap-toe Oxfords or a nice, leather pigskin casual like the ones Dominic has made me. No, to be completely frank, on the weekend, I'm dressed with a nice pair of jeans, button-up or long-sleeved shirt, and a pair of boots. And my favorite boot is the Chukka boot, not the Chelsea boot, not a Balmoral boot, but a Chukka boot. It's just such a versatile, easy, casual model that's really formed the backbone of my casual wardrobe, or at least my shoes. Now, because of that, the shoes that I was wearing really kind of reached the end of their lifetime, and I figured no better person to remake those for me than Carmina. So we've got two new pairs here that I customized through their online customizer, and we're gonna unbox them right here for you. So if you haven't seen our Carmina factory tour video, I actually traveled all the way out to the Spanish island of Mallorca to go visit their factory and to document the entire process of a pair of Goodyear welted leather dress shoes being made. So if you want to know what goes into a pair of shoes from Carmina, go check out that video. As I've said many times, and I actually spoke specifically to this in another very popular video, which is our black cap-toe Oxford comparison video. I take a pair of $400 Allen Edmonds shoes and compare them to a $500-600 pair of Allen Edmonds, to a pair of Edward Greens, and a pair of Graziano and Girlings. Now, each shoe brand offers something different at that price point, right? Each being very nice. The outcome for me is that Carmina represents one of the best values out there. Bang for your buck, it is really hard to beat Carmina. Everything after a pair of Carminas is really diminishing marginal return for what it is you have to pay in order to achieve that quality. It's not to say that they don't make better shoes out there than Carmina. There certainly are nicer shoes out there, but you're paying a lot of extra money to get those very nuanced details that I think really Carmina captures for what is a very reasonable price point. So let's take a look at these pairs of shoes, right? So as I said, boots, you can see this is how Carmina is shipping these things. On the side of the box, one of the things that I really love is that Carmina actually prints out a custom label that shows you the model of the boot, as you can see right here, with a nice description. Now these are bespoke Muros, right, because they used my bespoke last that they created using the 3D scanning machine. But if you were to just order a pair of MTOs, right, it would come exactly the same way, right? Beautiful box from Carmina, their signature red. But let's look at the shoes. I can already smell the leather. I mean, a new pair of shoes. It's like that new car smell. It really is fantastic. And Carmina has all the bells and whistles, the shoe bags as you saw there. Really nice kind of packaging to ensure that there's no damage during transit. And finally, the boots. Let's look at these. All right, boot pair number one, but Why stop at one when you can have two? I really use these Chukka boots so much that I needed to really expand what it is that I had. So we have two pairs. Here we go, look at that. Beautiful suede. Not suede, sorry. Beautiful, sorry. Look at that. Beautiful embossed leather. All right. Okay, absolutely fantastic. So let me talk about what it is that I had made and why I had it made as I did. So as you can see, I've got two different models here, right? Well, it's the same model, same boot, but two different leathers, two different makes, right? I've got a nice kind of sand suede, which again, suede is one of my favorite materials, incredibly versatile, right? Goes with almost everything. But what I love about suede is its durability. You can't scuff suede, you can't scratch suede. It's incredibly easy to clean. Just with a little bit of Saphir Omni Net and Yacht suede shampoo and a brush, voila, you're clean. Protecting suede is really easy also. All you need is a little bit of Super Invulner, suede spray, and these shoes are waterproofed, so exceptionally easy to clean. Then I have a slightly, let's say it dressier, although this is still quite casual, pair of dark brown embossed grain leather shoes, right? So you can see the embossing right here gives a nice texture to the leather, which I feel like with a casual Chukka boot, you need a little bit of texture. This and just a smooth casting, in my opinion, would make it almost dressy. What I love about the embossing is that it gives the shoe a little bit of visual texture. Now there's a key detail about these boots that was very important to me, and that was the addition of a rubber outsole. Right, it's still completely Goodyear welted, right? You can see the outsole stitching right here, attaching that outsole to the welt. So these can be very easily resoled while keeping all of the shape and all of the comfort once these become broken in. But what I like about this particular outsole, and this was another detail of Carmina that I really appreciated, is it's not one of those really heavy, vibrant commando outsoles, right? I mean, kind of the urban warrior boot, in my opinion, is too heavy of an aesthetic. You know, I'm gonna wear this in a very smart way, kind of casually over the weekend. And you can't deny that although I love a nice leather outsole, there is a performance characteristic, the rubber, that really is to be appreciated, especially whenever it is wet and raining outside. For that reason, I chose to have these boots made with a rubber outsole, and you can see it even has a top lift. Now, one of the details that I like about Carmina, and this goes back to their commitment to the craft, is you still see very sophisticated details here in the way that the heel block is done. You have, of course, this rubber top lift. You've got the rubber outsole, but you still have beautiful leather heel stacks right here, or layers where they can fit them in. So again, it's not super casual, it's kind of there in the middle, which, you know, if you ever run into me on the weekend, you'll see that I'm always, as I'd say, kind of not dressed up. Many people would call it that, but at least dressed smart. It's got a nice little pull tab right here, comes with a pair of shoe trees, nice little laces, and yeah, absolutely beautiful design. I can't wait to wear those. I mean, really, I get so much use out of them. Then we have the next pair of boot, right? Which is, again, that dark brown embossed leather, again, rubber outsole, rubber heel lift. You can see, again, the edge dressing here on the heel block. So absolutely beautiful, right? Beautiful shape, shoe trees, and then these even come with an extra pair of shoelaces. So beautiful design. One other thing that I did on this boot is, again, with the black pull strap, I have a black this leather piece customized to kind of match that. And I like kind of the vertical linear kind of line that this creates in the back of the boot that really kind of blends in with this black pull strap right there. So again, absolutely beautiful pair of boots, right? Adding them to my wardrobe, taking them home, and I'm going to put these babies, through the ringer. A lot of wear on the weekend. So let me know what you think in the comments section below. Of course, a rather, I guess, unusual unboxing here at Kirby Allison. Normally it's something quite dressy. Of course, whenever I'm at the office or whenever I'm traveling, for work, I'm always in a suit and tie. But on the weekends with the kids, you do have to dress it down. And one of the things that I've really been exploring lately is how to extend that tailored lifestyle away or down from your tailored kind of formal clothing all the way down to your casual clothing. It's kind of been the current, let's say, kind of chapter I've been in my current kind of book of my wardrobe. And a lot of that's been explored with Davidge, right? At Davidge Bespoke, we've released 2 videos with Davidge just recently talking about building out my casual wardrobe. And a casual pair of shoes is also important. I mean, tennis shoes, you really don't find me wearing tennis shoes. I'd much prefer something like this. And so it's possible to still be casual, but be dressed smart. And so having good shoes that are still well made, having nice kind of casual but tailored pieces for your casual wardrobe really helps extend that. And so that's been kind of the current chapter. We'll be filming more videos about that. I could talk about it at length. Watch those 2 Davidge videos. We're gonna be adding these boots. Can't wait to wear them, and I'll report back. If you are a fan of this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you go visit KirbyAllison.com, where we have the largest collection of luxury garment care and luxury shoe care accessories in the world, as well as other great clothing accessories for the well-dressed, like the sovereign grade necktie, pocket square, braces, and really so much more. It's the best way to support the content that we film here on this YouTube channel. Of course, I'm Kirby Allison, and I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition.